how to install a Rapid Pay app on iPhone. So just tap Get, and then you can see this app is quite high in the finance charts. So secure on-the-go access to your Rapid account. You can see your cards, accounts, pay cards, and then the idea is that you can get paid early with Rapid on demand. And then so that's the idea. Then there are all kinds of rewards here. You can make a transfer as well with this app. So this is one of just of the services. There are many services. There are of course many banks, but one of the main advantages is that you can just get paid a bit earlier, and then you can create your account. Just please enter your mobile phone number below, verify number, add or activate your pay card information if you already have that. If you have your account, you can just already log in. If you have any questions, you can always reach out their support here in the bottom.